To fix a Maytag top-load washer that won't turn on, it's essential to identify the possible causes of the issue. A wrong connection to the power outlet, non-functional power outlets, or an engaged control lock can all prevent the washer from turning on. Simple fixes can often address the problem. First, ensure the washer is plugged in correctly, directly into a 3-prong outlet, without using extension cables. Next, verify the outlet is functional by plugging in a lamp or different appliance. If the outlet is not working, check if the circuit breaker on that line has been tripped, or if using a fuse box. Replace the fuse if it has blown. Additionally, disabling the control lock feature may resolve the issue. However, the procedure for doing so varies by washer model, so it's necessary to consult the user manual for specific instructions. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Maytag top-load washer that won't turn on.